everyone. Please welcome our Honorable Mayor, Ms. May Rivas. And our Council Member, Ms. Mary J. Kayubi. And Ms. Cassandra de la Verde. And Ms. Maria Denise Ann Hanley. And our representative from AGU, Ms. April Hayes Suarez. And taxpayer citizen representative, Mr. Raven Ornella. And our treasurer, Ms. Rosemary Fernandez. And of course, our Ms. Secretary, Ms. Dalapo. And our the witness, Mr. Biboy Bisaya. So, good morning everyone. May I call on our Secretary, Ms. Dalapo, to read our previous minutes.
So now, I will be consolidating our discussion. Let's take a moment to review the agenda and its content. This is our previous minutes agenda. Treasurer reported last year revenue 9 million pesos with 8.5 million expenses. Health program received by 2 million pesos. Education 1.2 million pesos. Infrastructure 3 million pesos. Emergency 2 million pesos. Citizens requested more transparency and better roads repair. NGO suggested community consultation before finalizing budget. Decision: conduct this year budget hearing with full contributions and prepare department proposal in advance. Allocate at least 25% for health and education.
So today, we'll decide how to allocate our annual budget while ensuring transparency, accountability, and compliance with legal provision. Let's work together for the good for our community.
Salamat, Mayor. Our total project revenue this year is 10 million pesos. However, due to fiscal limitations and legal requirements for a balanced budget, we must carefully allocate funds. Essential services such as infrastructure, health, education, and emergency response need our priority.
So, based sa gilaon ng ato treasurer na ato annual budget is only 10 million. So, we must mas i-ensure nato na ang mga project na ato kanhimuon is makabenefit sa mga katauhan. In infrastructure, we propose 3 million pesos for repair, bridge, and public works. Better infrastructure goes with tourism and safety.
I propose 2.5 million for health clinic, free medicine, and social welfare program. People health must come first. So, 2 million for education is essential. Classroom repairs, new books, and teachers training are urgent needs.
Transparency is the key. Do the community have access to the budget details? Public participation ensures funds are spent wisely.
Prudent spending at lower taxes ang kailangan natin. Let's be mindful naman of our taxpayers' money.
So, we've heard all the proposals, so now let's negotiate. Can we increase the budget of 3.5 million because our road is badly damaged? But healthcare needs emergency, finding can we reduce road budget slightly? Students also need support because without sufficient funding, education quality can suffer. We can help source no granted transparency is guaranteed.
So please ensure no unnecessary expenses. We support balanced allocations.
We all know that budget of the road is very important. Kaya sa ako na ito pag-ato dito sa health station kung buha ako sa kagihan. Kung sa ako man, pag-buhat sa education kung wala kayo.
Mag-need pa sa people na sa hospital or mga clinics, labi na sa mga medicine, mag-need ang people na mga medicine para sa ato.
final decision of the mayor is the infrastructure. We have 3 million, the health 2.5 million, education 2 million, and the emergency service 2.5 million. Because